welcome back to Sharm's Adventures. We're here at Bendila Recreation Area in Kangaroo Valley. We've been here before, so if you want to check out one of those videos, you can go and look back on that. This time we're in our Hiace commuter van. We've been building this van probably around 6 months now, on and off, and it's finally pretty much finished. So I thought in this video that I'll take you around and show you our van. So here is our Hiace commuter van, and as you can see, it's got a higher top roof, and we've got a lightweight awning attached to it as well. We've put a fly screen which attaches to the outside of the van, and as you can see, there's a little cupboard that comes on the inside, and Rodney will show you, that can slide out. And the top of it lifts up, got a little light on there as well, and the cupboard's a bit of a mess in there, but the cupboards open up. We've also, in there, in the back there, we've got our water tanks. So our water tank is just behind that cupboard there. And we have a 65-litre fridge. And a little drawer up the top that slides out as well. So that's where we sleep. It's our bed. It's a, is that a queen? King or queen? Queen bed. We've got the Sirocco fan that Rodney has installed, and got two shelves where we can store our phones and everything like that. And we've got a light there, and then another light at the front. And we've got a vent fan that sucks air out and sucks cool air in, and also has a rain sensor on it as well. Then we come down to our battery system. We've used all the King's products, and it is a what, Rodney?
120 amp hour lithium, and we have a 2000 watt inverter.
So that's our battery system, so we can go off grid. There's no 240 power in the van, so we can pretty much go wherever we want in this.
And we have a 200 watt solar panel on the roof,
which I'll show you in a sec. So you can see we've got the solar panel on the roof and also the vent. You can see here that we've attached the rail, so no water will get in between the door and into the van, and that the lightweight awning slides through that rail. So this is the back of the van, and we've made a little cupboard where we can store things, and that just gets pulled down. Got these little cabinets from Kmart, which are quite handy, and they just pull in and out from the shelf. So you can just pull them in and out. And we've got all storage that goes all the way through, all the way to the back as well. We've got some outlets there for 12 volt. And then this is the other side of the van. Don't have anything on that end of the van. We've also got ourselves a pop-up tent, and inside that we've got our portable toilet. So that's a King's portable toilet as well. We got this tent from Kmart. So Rodney and I did the build all on our own. I'll put some videos and photos of the build in here now, and you'll see the construction of our van. So we're up to the final coat of our cupboards. So we're up to the stage where we're just about to put all the cupboards together. Construction's starting to begin. Got all our pieces of wood for all our cupboards painted up. So we've screwed the drawer down to the floor. Slides in and out perfectly. Well done, Rodney. Put it back in. Excellent. Now we're going to construct the cupboard that goes on top of that. Okay, so construction's coming along good here. We've got our pull-out drawer getting done. Just need to put a drawer in the kitchen area there and a bench top, and we're nearly there. I hope you enjoyed watching our video of our van getting built and you like the way it looks. Hopefully maybe I've even inspired you to build your own. A lot of people have asked us why we built this van, because we've got a bigger van and we can just jump into this one and go wherever we want, and it just makes it a little bit easier just for our little weekend getaways. So if you did like this video, please remember to like, subscribe and ring that bell, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.
You having fun driving, Sharm, up Kangaroo Valley?
No.
Why not?
It's scary.
You're doing good.